Do you know anybody in your life who wants to stop smoking? This could be the video for you. I'm Brooke Becker, a student at the UAMS College of Pharmacy, and in this video, I will be talking about a nicotine nasal spray product. Nicotine nasal spray is a product to stop smoking and is sold under the brand name Nicorette NS and requires a prescription from your doctor. It is used as nicotine replacement therapy to satisfy the craving of wanting nicotine during the day. There are many different dosage forms used for nicotine replacement in addition to the nicotine nasal spray, including gum, lozenges, oral inhalations, and a skin patch. The dose is as follows. It is important to choose a quit date to stop smoking and to start using the nasal spray on that date. Prior to first use, prime the pump by pumping 6 to 8 times until a fine spray appears. It may also need to be primed if it has not been used for more than 24 hours by spraying 1 to 2 times. Blow your nose prior to use and tilt head back slightly while inserting tip of bottle into nostril. Breathe through mouth and spray once in each nostril. Make sure to not sniff, swallow, or inhale through the nose during administration. It is important to avoid contact with skin, eyes, and mouth and to wait 2 to 3 minutes before blowing your nose. During the first week of use, it is common to have a hot, peppery feeling in the back of the throat or nose, sneezing, coughing, watery eyes, or runny nose. Using this drug on a regular basis during the first week will help you adjust to the side effects. If they do not get better after a week, contact your healthcare provider. Nicotine products should not be used if you are pregnant or have any heart-related conditions. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist about your health conditions and see if this is right for you to take, since nicotine can increase blood pressure and heart rate. If you are pregnant, you are recommended to quit without medication and should instead consider behavioral counseling. Let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any chronic nasal disorders such as allergies, runny nose, nasal polyps, or sinusitis, as use of this product may not be recommended. This medication should also be used with caution if you have lung complications like asthma or COPD, as this medication can irritate the airways. Common side effects include headache, throat irritation, and stomach effects like nausea, hiccups, constipation, or heartburn. Stop taking this medication and talk to your doctor or pharmacist immediately if you experience symptoms like nausea, vomiting, dizziness, diarrhea, weakness, tremors, mood changes, or a rapid heartbeat. This could indicate signs of nicotine overdose. Sustained use beyond 6 months is not recommended. If you are unable to stop smoking by the 4th week of therapy, discontinuation should be considered. If the bottle breaks, try not to get any of the liquid on your skin. If it does get on your skin, wash it off immediately. In summary, nicotine nasal spray is one of the many ways to stop smoking. It's best when combined with behavioral therapy, and you should talk to your doctor or pharmacist today if you have any questions about the medication or your own health conditions.
This information is provided for public education purposes only and is not intended to substitute for a manufacturer's directions or consultation with a licensed pharmacist or healthcare professional. All medication, including those available over the counter, can be harmful if not used as directed, and taking more than one medication could result in harmful drug interactions. Please consult a licensed pharmacist or healthcare professional before taking any medication or changing an already approved or prescribed medication plan.